Hello everyone, this is Samina Shah, co-founder of Cyber, a decentralized mental health and Web3 onboarding platform. Let's start with the problem. 75% of Web3 adopters struggle with onboarding due to complex, jargon-heavy interfaces. Digital natives often avoid DApps due to confusing resources, and tech professionals find solutions lacking interactivity. This gap leads to the creation of Cyber. Cyber bridges this gap by integrating learning with mental health support. Welcome to Cyber. Let's dive into how our app makes Web3 onboarding easy and engaging. We start by signing in with Google. This allows for a seamless experience. Once signed in, you'll choose whether you're new to Web3 or an existing user. For this demo, let's focus on new users. If you're an existing user, don't worry, features for you are coming soon. After logging in, new users will take a psychological test. Based on your answers, you'll receive a readiness tag like a beginner, explorer, visionary, which helps us tailor your learning experience. Next, you'll see a list of tasks designed just for you. We start with educational tasks, beginning with an introduction to Web3 and blockchain. Each educational task is broken down into lessons. You'll find an overview of the topic, real life examples, comparisons to Web2, and key takeaway to remember. Once you complete the lessons, each educational task includes a 3 question quiz to reinforce what you've learned. This helps ensure you grasp the concepts before moving on. Once you complete a task, you receive tokens as rewards and followed by a positive affirmation. Now let's move on to action-based tasks. Our first task is creating a wallet using Soulflare. We guide you through understanding what a wallet is and provide step-by-step instructions on how to create one using Soulflare and connect it to the app. So as you can see, you go to Soulflare and follow all the steps that were given inside the lesson. After creating wallet on Soulflare, you'll be able to connect it on Cyber. That's a brief overview of how Cyber helps new users navigate Web3 with confidence. By combining education and practical tasks, we make the onboarding experience smooth and enjoyable. Our revenue comes from in app purchases from premium content, NFTs, and consultations. We'll have a freemium model. Basic content will be free, but advanced modules require subscription or token redemption. Strategic partnerships with DApps will earn us commissions, and when our token go on chain, we'll implement transaction fees. Looking ahead, by quarter one, we plan to expand tasks, add DApp tutorials, and introduce mental health and Web3 consultations. By quarter two, launch collaborative tasks, integrate mental wellness activities, and onboard Web3 experts. By quarter three, we plan to introduce the cyber token and expand blockchain partnerships. And by quarter four, we plan to launch the cyber marketplace for redeemable services, NFTs, and exclusive content. Cyber is more than education. It's a thoughtful solution for learning Web3 with mental wellness. Join us today and start your journey into the decentralized world with confidence. Thank you.